Hello my guys, and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a new product from the company OEDRO. Floor mat for a 2021 GMC Denali. Let's get to it. This 2021 GMC Denali, it has this floor mat. Tesson. The only problem and why we're replacing it is from one thing I'm going to show you. But here on the driver's side, everything looks good on these floor mats. As you can see, covers everything. They look good. Passenger side or second row, it looks great. It covers everything, goes up, and it folds really good on the back. Covers in here so the door doesn't go in, and the carpet is clean. They do the job really good on the second. Let me show you the problem and the third row. And this is the third row. You can see in here the gap in here. So these ones, they move a lot. They don't cover really well. I would like to see this one go all the way to the back and cover here. But if you cover the back, it's not gonna cover in here. So this one is too small. I don't know if this set is for a Yukon, probably something smaller than this one. But it was, when my customer get these ones, it was supposed to be for this one. I believe it's for something smaller, probably the Yukon. I don't know. I really don't. But this is not right. And hopefully these new ones from OEDRO, they cover everything, especially for this one. So let's see if they're gonna work. These are the new ones. So I'm gonna try one by one, and hopefully the third row works. But let's see what we got on this package. Let's start with the driver. See if this one is better than what we have right now. They look about the same, but let's see. You can see right now what we have, and this is the new one. I think it covers better on that side on top. In here it's about the same from the last one to this one, but overall it's good. Covers here, covers all the way up. It goes up on that side. Same thing in here. The cut is just perfect, and it covers all the way. So driver side, not bad. This is the passenger side. Let's see if the new one covers more or is the same. Okay. Yep, it's about the same. Obviously it's not gonna be bigger because it's gonna cover the logo, and I think over there is just a bit bigger, but overall perfect cut, perfect all the way around, works good. Now let's swap the middle one. Overall the middle one is good, nothing to complain about, but let's put the new one. And this is the new one from OEDRO. Perfect cut as well, covers everything around perfectly, and it goes up a little bit on this side. So overall it's good. Covers after the carpet, so your carpet is gonna stay clean. Perfect. Now let's see the one that we really need to change. Let's see that one, see if the new one is better, because this one, it doesn't work here. And this is the new floor mat for the rear. As you can see, it's a lot better than this, because this one is gonna cover all the way to the back, and this one, for some reason, that's all you get. This, I don't know why it doesn't cover all the way, like I said before, and that's all you're getting. I don't know, it doesn't make sense. The new one from OEDRO is a lot thicker. Now look at this floor mat. Covers the carpet entirely all the way to the back. Nice cutting in here, and nice cutting all the way. A lot better than those. And on this side, you can see it's gonna cover everything. You're not gonna get the carpet dirty. A lot better than the other one, and that's why you need to get this one from OEDRO. So instead of getting these T-zones, get some OEDRO for your Denali. Okay guys, so I'm gonna leave you with this. If you wanna get the floor mats from OEDRO for your 2021 GMC Yukon, because definitely you're gonna have a better fitment with these floor mats. So I'll leave you with this link in the description for the floor mats, and thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.